So in previous class, we studied about what is the integration, what is the line integration and surface integration and volume integration. So in this session, I am going to explain problems based on integrations. First one, evaluate integration a dot dr. Here C means curve around the closed curve C, around the closed curve C defined by y equal to x square and y square equal to x with capital A equal to I into x minus y plus j into x plus y. I into x minus y plus j into x plus y with diagram xy plane, so here y square equal to x and here y equal to x square 1 comma 1. So here we have to find out the integration of a dot dr value. Already given vector a bar equal to I into x minus y plus j into x plus y. In solution, in solution, first we have to take r. Here we have a dot dr. So what is the r bar? R bar is a position vector. In solution, first we take r bar is a position vector xi plus yj plus zk, and dr equal to, here we have only xy plane, that's why z equal to 0. We get only r bar equal to xi plus yj. So dr bar equal to I into dx plus j into dy. After that, in integration a dot dr, we have to substitute a bar vector and dr value. What is the dr? Here I am writing dr equal to I into dx plus j into dy. In diagram, we have y square equal to x and y equal to x square and 1 comma 1 point. Here we have a bar vector. So a bar equal to I into x minus y plus j into x plus y, and dr equal to I into dx plus j into dy. Integration a dot dr equal to, what is the a bar vector? I into x minus y plus j into x plus y into dr. What is the dr? I dx plus j dy. So we know that I dot I equal to 1 and j dot j equal to 1. So from that rule we can write I dot I, that means x minus y into dx plus x plus y into dy. X plus y into dy, x minus y into dx, x plus y into dy. So after that, here we have y equal to x square. Y equal to x square and y square equal to x we have. So from that rules we can write integration limits 0 to 1, 0 to 1, x minus x square into dx, x minus x square into dx, plus integration 0 to 1, integration 0 to 1, x plus x square into 2x into dx along y equal to x square plus integration 1 to 0 y square minus y into 2y into dy plus integration 1 to 0 y square plus y into dy. So from 1 comma 1 point x value is 1 and y value is 1. So x limits 0 to 1 and y limits we have to take 1 to 0. So after this equation we get integration 0 to 1, integration 0 to 1, x minus x square into dx, x minus x square into dx plus 2 into integration 0 to 1, x square plus x cube, x square plus x cube into dx plus 2 into integration 1 to 0, y cube minus y square into dy plus integration 1 to 0, 1 to 0, y square plus y square plus y into dy, into dy. In next integration, so x integration x power 1 plus 1 by 2. That means x square by 2 minus x square integration x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That means x cube by 2. Limits 0 to 1 plus 2 is constant. 2 is constant. X square plus here we have x cube. X square plus x cube. So x square differentiation, sorry, integration x power 2 plus 1 means 3 by 3 plus x power 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 plus 1, 4 plus limits 0 to 1. Next, y cube means y power 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 plus 1, 4 minus y square means y power 2 plus 1, 3 by 3. Limits 1 to 0 plus y square integration y power 2 plus 1 means 3 by 3 plus y power 2 by 2, limits 1 to 0. After substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. We get here 1 by 2 minus 0. Lower limit means here we have minus 1 by 3. So lower limit means 0. We get minus 2 into 1. First to substitute upper limit 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Lower limit means we get 0 plus upper limit. Upper limit when we substitute we get 0. We get 0 after here 2 is constant. Here also 2. Minus lower limit means minus 1 by 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 3 plus. So when we have substituted upper limit we get 0 values after minus lower limit minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 we get what is the value? 3 minus 2 1 by 6 plus 2 into so 12 7 by 12 plus 2 into here also 12 here minus 3 plus 4 1 plus here 6 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So after calculation of this, we get 2 by 3. Here 2 6 ja, here also 2 6 ja. Okay. So this is the integration. This is the integration. Already we know that integration of x power n into dx, x power n into dx, that integration value x power formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Next problem. Second one. If a bar equal to I into 3xy into 3xy minus j into y square, evaluate integration a dot dr, where c is a closed curve in x comma y plane, in x comma y plane, y equal to 2x square, from 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Here given a bar equal to I into 3xy minus j into y square. So evaluate integration a dot dr, where c is a closed curve in xy plane, where y equal to 2x square from 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 2. This is the given problem. In solution, here integration is performed in xy plane only. Here integration is performed in x comma y plane, in x comma y plane. Okay, hence z equal to 0, and r bar equal to I into x plus j into y. Here integration is only in xy plane, that means z equal to 0, then position vector r bar equal to I into x plus j into y only. So after that, integration a dot dr equal to, what is the a bar? I into 3xy minus j into y square dot, what is the dr value? Ix plus jy. So we know that I dot I equal to 1 and j dot j equal to 1. Remaining I dot j equal to and j dot I equal to zeros. So in this integration 3xy into x, 3xy into x, we get before that this is only r bar. Here we have dr bar, that means dr bar equal to I into dx plus j into dy. So directly substitute that, we get I into dx plus j into dy. Okay, I into I dot I equal to 1, that means 3xy into dx. Okay, here we have minus y square into dy, y square into dy. And we have another condition, y equal to 2x square, y equal to 2x square. So y value substitute in this equation, 3x into y plus 2x square, in y square place also 2x square whole square.